after 3 straight wins,
Oh,
ito,
halo.
medyo natapilok tayo ngayon. Anong tingin natin, bakit tayo hindi iba yung laro natin kumpara sa first 3 games natin?
Wala naman may sabing kayang talunin ni San Miguel lahat straight. So talaga nangyayari to. We came up against a team that like had 2 weeks of preparation. We came versus conversion. It's not an excuse, pero yun ang nakikita namin, grabe yung preparation nila versus us.
And ngayon, parang as you go home right now, thinking about the game, ano yung hindi dapat natin dalhin sa next game?
Siguro yung something to clean up is yung fast break points na nabigay natin. Siguro very frustrating for coaches na nakikita yung puro fast break points sa kabila. Kung pwede lang ako mag-sprint pa baba, isi-sprint sana ako pero hindi ko kaya.
And yung mga injuries natin, parang si CJ may tama rin yata.
Hindi natin mapasok si CJ sa second half dahil may naramdaman siyang parang bukol. Sabi ko, okay naman tayo. No need to play this game and even maybe next game. Si Junmar, ganyan, pasok-labas, hindi mo pwede. So,
with this, next month up ba tayo sa San Miguel? With
definitely,
CJ,
definitely. Yun na nga, siguro coaches also kailangan mag-improve din kami. Medyo naisahan kami dun sa preparedness ng kalaban, naka lahat, naka full court pressure, etc. Medyo nahihirapan kami.